So we are really proud of our partnership with L.A.B Golf. L.A.B is just killing it. It's an amazing company, amazing technology, and our goal was to provide a shaft that basically was super straight. Lie-angle balanced putters require a really straight shaft. L.A.B makes a lot of great shafts. What Gears has been able to do, that filament winding process, is really the key, because that process creates the straightest, most consistent shaft. And we've been able to make this feel kind of like steel, the way that we've produced it. So we don't have to add all these fancy, expensive materials. You can get a very high-end quality shaft at a much lower cost. Everybody in our company just loves these L.A.B putters. They're amazing. This has been a real game changer for me personally. I like putting now. I'm a very good putter now. I can say that. I used to not be able to say that. Filament winding does create the straightest, most consistent shaft in golf. So it was a perfect marriage with Gears and L.A.B Golf, and we're just really excited to have our partnership with them.